Hello, in this short video I just want to show you how to actually get a copy of the Snakes and Ladders spreadsheet. So whether the link is here in Slack that you're coming to, or whether you've received it by Messenger or through our chatbot or wherever it is, basically it's a Google Docs link, which means that you need to have a Google Drive account, which you can get through your Gmail account. Just click on the link and it is going to request that you make a copy. So just do that, make a copy, and it'll pop straight into your Google Drive if you're using something like Chrome or if you've got your Drive open. So the first thing I'm going to do is just quickly rename this and just put my own name in there, if I can spell it right. And basically the tabs along the bottom you can have a look through. There is a Start Here guide where we've got a video, and then of course the Snakes and Ladders overview. And this is your main spreadsheet where you can, put in whatever capital it is that you're starting with, just here in the yellow, and it will populate the rest of the spreadsheets. I just really wanted to focus on this bonus spreadsheet that we've put here, an extra tab. We're calling it the bill refill version. And that's because, basically Nat and I have lived virtually rent-free for over 10 years, traveling the world nomadically as international house sitters, and we're not used to having monthly expenses. So now that we have a home base and we have a dog and we've got all these bills and things, we decided that we would keep a separate account running, and I was going to start it with $300, but I think I'll start it with $500. But every month I'm going to withdraw the amount that I'm seeking. So I'm going to come in here starting with the $500, and I'm going to delete the rest of these lines because I just want my target to be the $2,500 there. So this is, I'm just going to change the color of that. So this is the target here, and that's what I'm going to aim for every month. So I'll be withdrawing $2,000 so that I've got my $500 to start with again the following month in order to trade my way up. So I'll just quickly fill in the details of my first trade today and see how we go. I'm going to change the color of this because I have actually completed the trade. So this is now a closed trade from the 30th of January. Took about 3 hours to complete. That was pretty impressive. It was a long trade, and it was an interesting one because using leverage, the exchange I was using, Bybit, literally had made an announcement saying as of today they were starting leverage on 𝗬𝗏. So I put a trade on. Put in $375 at 10x leverage. I never start at this height. Please don't copy this, but this is what I did this time because I have got a bit of experience now. So it was $375. The buy step I first put in. I only did one buy step. It was a really short time frame trade. The first target I had, and the second target, these are all from the target indicators. And I had a higher target, but I ended up taking closing it at market price just so I could close the trade because it looked like it was going to start heading down again. So I didn't have any of the details filled in there. I should have put this on earlier. I'm not very good at spreadsheets. But yeah, it was a win. So I'm going to color code that as well in green. Don't know about the percentages there, but we took $208. So the profit so far is $208. Oh, and the other thing you can fill in if you really wanted to keep this as a trading journal is just pop your notes in there. So I closed this trade within 3 hours at market price. Didn't go for the top target. Was happy with a $200 win, considering I only put $375 in. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about, just to show those who are interested in looking at these little stickers, here is my last trade. So I did the 3 take profit levels, and this is where you can get your little sticker as such that if you're in the crypto code, you want to share it in the forum and in their Facebook group because that enters you into the monthly draw every month to win $500 like our crypto buddies have, Brian and Christine. Christine's actually won twice. It'll be interesting to see if she gets a hat trick and wins this month as well. But this is where these little stickers, I think they're called. So I'm in the P&L section inside of the exchange. Most of the exchanges will have something similar, and you're just looking for this little arrow that points up to say that on this level of the trade I did 61%, and the first little take profit that I did was a 36%. So that's where those stickers come from. Make sure you share them with the crypto code to make sure that you get your chance at winning $500 every month. So I hope that's helpful. Go and get your copy of Snakes and Ladders, rename it, and start filling in your details. Figure out if you work out a better way to do anything with this spreadsheet, please let us know, and we'll update ours as well. But this is kind of how Nat's been running hers. Like I said, she does a lot better at keeping records than I do, but I am going to try, because I'm on a mission now to turn $500 into $2,000 every month and then take that $2,000 back out. Let's see how we go. All right, we'll see you in the next video.